Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're doing something really exciting. We are breaking down exactly how next-generation AI is evolving from, just a basic chatbot into your absolute brilliant, highly capable co-founder. We're looking at a fascinating source today that details how the massive new updates to NotebookLM can literally take you from raw, totally untested ideas to a validated, highly profitable business. Look, if you're a solo founder trying to build something real for the economy of tomorrow, you are in exactly the right place.
$20,000. That is our magic target number. $20,000 in net profit every single month, generated entirely by one person. Our source material focuses intensely on this specific goal, and it uses NotebookLM's newly upgraded intelligence to map out a highly specific, totally actionable path to reach it. It's all about precision here, defining exactly what it takes to hit that 20K benchmark.
So here's today's roadmap. First, we'll look at targeting 20K a month, then uncovering 2026 market gaps, exploring 4 profitable B2C niches, validating your best idea, setting up the ultimate AI workspace, and finally, automating portfolios and workflows.
All right, jumping right into section 1, targeting 20K a month, the solo founder blueprint. Let's set some strict constraints.
The source reveals that the host didn't just ask the AI for generic business ideas. No, they fed the AI absolute non-negotiables. First off, no VC capital allowed. 0. It has to be entirely bootstrapped. It needs to be a lifestyle business focused directly on consumers, so B2C, not other businesses. And crucially, it absolutely must be highly automated. Why? Well, because avoiding a massive payroll is exactly how a solo founder actually keeps that $20,000 in monthly net profit. Setting these tight, rigid constraints is the secret sauce to getting high-quality output from the AI. Moving right along to section 2, uncovering 2026 market gaps through expert forecasting. How do we actually find guaranteed market gaps to hit those revenue numbers? The absolutely crucial point here is your data source. NotebookLM is really only as good as the information you feed it, right? The source demonstrates this by using a featured notebook populated specifically with The Economist's The World Ahead 2026 issue. By importing these verified, high-quality, expert forecasts about geopolitical and economic trends, we're ensuring our business ideas aren't just random guesses. They are deeply grounded in where the world is actually heading over the next couple of years.
Okay, section 3, 4 profitable B2C niches. Let's see what the AI actually discovered.
This first brilliant discovery perfectly illustrates how you turn a massive macro trend into a highly targeted micro solution. The trend, GLP-1 weight loss drugs are shifting from weekly injections over to daily oral pills. But here's the problem. Daily pills are way easier to forget, and users actually skip them because they're terrified of sudden side effects like extreme nausea. Plus, they are incredibly anxious about losing muscle mass. So, the AI's micro solution is a premium daily GLP-1 companion. It uses a simple WhatsApp interface to deliver hyper-personalized voice check-ins, track those side effects, advise on diet, and gamify the pill schedule. At $29 a month, it acts as a strict daily adherence coach. Honestly, that is an absolute painkiller for a very specific growing problem. Which transitions us seamlessly into our second gap. This one captures a massive cultural shift. Mass market wine consumption is in a steep decline. We're talking a 14% drop, driven largely by health-conscious millennials and Gen Z. They're swapping out alcohol for things like cannabis, functional adaptogens, or even microdosing. The AI suggests capitalizing on this modern California sober lifestyle. How? By offering a secure, privacy-first, AI-driven mindful intoxication and microdose tracking app. It targets exactly where consumer behavior is rapidly, undeniably heading. The AI also identified an incredible educational sandbox idea. The macro trend here is honestly quite stark. The entry-level job market is undergoing a brutal 66% drop in hiring. Generative AI is just replacing those junior roles. So the class of 2026 is desperate to stand out. The micro solution, a 3D hourglass AI agent sandbox. It's basically a platform that teaches non-technical graduates how to visually build, train, and deploy actual functional AI agents for business use cases. So instead of just passively watching tutorials, they're building a real portfolio to bypass that broken entry-level ladder. Section 4. Validating your best idea. We've got amazing concepts on the table, but which one is the absolute holy grail for a solo founder? To find out, the source shows how NotebookLM can actually evaluate these specific niches by cross-referencing them against independent sources on SaaS viability and bootstrapping strategies. By generating a complete optimization scorecard right there in the studio, the AI crowns the GLP-1 companion app the clear winner.
Why? Well, the data reveals it has incredibly high scalability through an automated API, and crucially, a massive defensive moat built right in through its custom symptom tracking. It has incredibly low implementation friction for a single person, making it the absolute fastest, most reliable path to that $20,000 monthly goal. The SoberFlow app, that comes in as a very strong secondary option.
On to Section 5, the ultimate AI workspace. Let's talk about consolidating subscriptions.
Look, to build this winning SaaS efficiently, you need the right tools, but you can't completely destroy your budget on scattered software subscriptions. Our source highlights a sponsor, GenSpark, which brilliantly demonstrates how solo founders can optimize their entire tech stack. Instead of paying 5 different bills across various AI models, you just consolidate. A unified workspace like GenSpark auto-selects the absolute best AI models for whatever you're doing, whether it's GPT, Claude, or Gemini. It cuts your monthly software overhead down to a fraction, maximizing operational efficiency so you actually keep more of that $20,000 profit. The source host literally built an automated content calendar and a pitch deck right inside this one single tool.
Finally, Section 6. Automating portfolios and workflows via live code execution.
Let's shift gears for a second. Once your solo business is thriving and you're hitting those revenue numbers, how do you leverage AI to protect and grow the money you are making? This brings us to a massive, total game changer of an update to NotebookLM, live code execution. Previously, it was basically just a text analyzer. Now, it can actually write code, execute it within a secure sandbox, and perform deep mathematical analysis on highly complex data. The source host uploaded a private snapshot of their own investment portfolio and asked the AI to analyze it directly against those Economist 2026 global forecasts we talked about earlier. It effectively becomes a highly personalized, data-driven financial analyst.
And the results brilliantly illustrate the AI's rigorous data crunching. By cross-referencing the portfolio with those 2026 trends, the AI suggested highly strategic reallocations. For instance, it advised trimming Chinese e-commerce and tech holdings as global supply chains continue to shift. So where does that capital go instead? The AI aggressively suggests boosting broad Indian market ETFs, noting that India is actually poised to become the 4th largest economy by 2026. Furthermore, it identified a massive global rearmament boom. It suggests increasing European defense ETFs to capitalize on a projected $800 billion defense spending surge as U.S. contributions shift. All of this highly specific analysis is generated locally, tailored entirely to the solo founder's private financial data.
But the capabilities don't just stop inside NotebookLM. The source highlights that it now seamlessly integrates directly with the Gemini web app. See, because NotebookLM is strictly grounded in the sources you feed it, you can just click over to Gemini to chat a bit more creatively, like strategizing exact price points to actually take profits on those investments. On top of that, by connecting MCP servers, you can build the ultimate workflow automations. The host uses it to auto-generate weekly audio overviews to listen to on their commute, and even to structure learning plans for new physical hardware skills, just to combat screen fatigue. It is a complete full-circle automation loop.
So we've seen how a solo founder can go from a blank slate to a highly validated $20,000 a month business idea. We've seen how they can optimize their tech stack and even have an AI dynamically reallocate their investment portfolio based on future economic data. With AI now fully capable of being your strategic business partner, your financial analyst, and your workflow automator, the only question left is, are you building for the economy of 2026, or are you still building for the economy of the past? Take these frameworks, apply them to your own constraints, and start building. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you in the next one.